Alright, so yes, it's Roman, and today we're in the kitchen with my mom. Yes, mommy?
Yes, Rom, we're
Good.
cooking.
Look.
Yes, Roman, we're cooking. We're doing string beans.
Alright, so since my stay here, I spent one with my sister, and the second week here I'm with my mom, and she's cooking. So
Yes.
she first made some juice, some carrot juice. I'll show you what that looks like somewhere here. So here we have carrot with apple and ginger. So you see here everything has been settled, so once you give it a good shake, it should be alright. Yes, and it's completely natural, so it should be good for you. But we didn't record the process, so maybe record another video with some juice making. So now let's see what she's doing.
Cabbage and string beans. So, and garlics and onions.
Alright, so we've added some seasoning. Add mommy like
Maggi.
salt, black pepper,
Yes,
cayenne pepper, paprika,
Yeah, Maggi fish
and
seasoning.
Maggi fish seasoning,
And Maggi all-purpose.
and Maggi all-purpose
So
seasoning.
this is what you use. This is the Maggi fish seasoning. This is the Maggi fish seasoning, and this is the all-purpose Maggi seasoning, and this is we use. Can't believe it's butter.
You can't believe it's butter.
As we season the pot, this is our Maggi all-purpose seasoning. It do for everything. Okay. And here we go now.
So scallion and thyme.
We're gonna put in our scallion and our thyme. Okay.
So you can just begin to smell that, yes.
So we're gonna mix up this thing now. So we're gonna leave it to cook for a while. The coconut have to be
For
cooking.
how long?
We're gonna cook for maybe another 30 minutes. The coconut gonna cook with the seasoning. Then after we'll have prepared the rice, you'll see that. Add to pot. Mix up the beans together so everything will come together. And you see beans. Instead I have beans and rice, it will be rice with beans. That's it. I'm gonna cover, let it cook now.
Alright, so this is the finished product. Okay, nice.
So we're gonna use the Maggi. We should have fish season. There's no fish season right now, so we're gonna use the all-purpose. It would be good if we had fish seasoning. That would give it more taste. this. Just let the oil don't spill all over the plate. I put it in this of oil. Finished product. And the carrot. Babes.
Let's go!
I'll do my hair too, so all right.